Have you ever wondered how that sweet, crystalline substance that we sprinkle on our oatmeal, bake into cookies, and stir into our coffee is made? Yes, I'm talking about sugar. Today, I'm going to take you through the fascinating journey of sugar, from the swaying fields to your dining table. So let's dive in. Our story begins in the lush, green fields where sugarcane or sugar beets are grown. These plants are the primary sources of the sugar we use every day. Depending on the region, sugarcane is harvested manually with machetes or mechanically with modern harvesters. It's a labor-intensive process that sets the stage for the sweetness to come. Once harvested, the sugarcane is transported to a nearby mill where the extraction process begins. Here, the cane is crushed between large rollers to squeeze out the juice, while the beets undergo a process called diffusion to extract their sugary syrup. It's like wringing out every last drop of sweetness. Next up is the purification process. The raw juice contains impurities that need to be removed to get that pure white sugar we're familiar with. Lime is added to the juice, causing impurities to clump together so they can be easily removed. This step is crucial because nobody wants cloudy sugar in their tea, right? Now we're on to evaporation. The clear juice is heated and water evaporates, leaving behind a thick syrup. This syrup is then boiled under vacuum to form sugar crystals, a process that feels a bit like magic turning liquid into sweet crystals. But we're not done yet. The crystals are spun in a centrifuge to remove any remaining molasses, resulting in raw sugar. This raw sugar is often refined further to produce the sparkling white sugar that fills our kitchen shelves. Refining involves dissolving the sugar, filtering and recrystallizing, ensuring each crystal is perfect. And there you have it. From the field to your table, sugar undergoes quite the transformation. Next time you sweeten your coffee or sprinkle sugar on your breakfast, remember the journey it's been on. It's not just a sweetener, but a product of hard work and fascinating science. Thanks for joining me on this sweet adventure. If you enjoyed learning about how sugar is made, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty tales. Catch you in the next one.